Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glue sticks is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any crafter's, student's, or office worker's arsenal, offering a clean, mess-free way to bond paper, cardstock, and other lightweight materials with ease and precision, making it an essential item for everything from school projects and scrapbooking to everyday office tasks and DIY endeavors. Number 5. Artellius Mini Hot Glue Sticks, 200 pack. Get ready for endless creative projects with this huge 200 pack of mini glue sticks. They are perfect for hobbyists, classrooms, or studios needing a long-lasting supply. Each stick measures 4 inches by 0.27 inch, ensuring they are the ideal size for crafters. They are compatible with most mini glue guns for all your DIY adventures. These sticks melt smoothly to create a strong bond on various materials like paper, fabric, and wood. You can expect a clean application with no clogs or mess. These all-purpose sticks are great for scrapbooking, home decor, DIY cards, and even small household repairs. They are suitable for a wide range of crafting tasks. Experience a steady flow and reliable hold with our quality glue sticks. They are a must-have for any crafter, working perfectly with both low and high-temperature glue guns. What we like. If you're a serious crafter or run a busy classroom, this massive 200 pack is your go-to. Its fast-melting formula ensures a strong bond on various materials, minimizing downtime for your projects. You should consider this if you need a reliable, long-lasting supply for frequent and extensive crafting sessions. What people say. The new ones are very clear in comparison. It dries quickly, and the quality is good. The size fits into the glue gun with ease and the glue does not seem to be stringy. The glue comes out clear. It dries pretty quickly, almost too quickly, and it holds up really well. I did my cat trees with this. And I have had no problems with the twine coming loose or anything. Number 4. 20W Hot Glue Gun Kit with 30 glue sticks. Get started on your projects in no time. This tool heats up in just 1 minute, thanks to its advanced PTC ceramic heating system. It maintains a constant temperature for consistent glue flow. Achieve clean and precise applications with its specially designed nozzle. It prevents messy drips, allowing you to control the glue flow easily by simply pressing the trigger. Crafting for extended periods is comfortable with its ergonomic handle. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to maneuver, and the foldable bracket allows for convenient storage. This adhesive dries quickly and bonds strongly to various materials like plastic, paper, wood, and metal. It's perfect for school crafts, DIY art, and quick home repairs. This set includes the hot glue gun and 30 mini glue sticks to meet all your creative needs. Remember to only hold the handle and avoid touching the nozzle during and after use for safety. What we like. For those who need quick and precise gluing, this kit is a fantastic choice. Its rapid warm-up and anti-drip nozzle mean less mess and more efficiency for your DIY projects. If you value speed, control, and a comfortable grip, especially for home repairs or intricate crafts, this is the one for you. What people say. Heats up quickly and works consistently for school projects, DIY crafts, and small home repairs. The 30 glue sticks are a nice bonus, and the gun is easy to handle and lightweight. Heats up fast, so I can start working within minutes without any long waits. The 20W power is perfect for precise applications, and it delivers a steady, smooth flow of glue every time. The gun is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. Heats up quickly and gets nice and hot, which makes it perfect for DIY projects, small home repairs, and craft work. One feature I especially appreciate is the on-off switch, super convenient so you don't have to unplug it every time. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who needs a reliable glue gun for everyday tasks. Number 3. Mr. Pen Disappearing Purple Glue Sticks, 8 pack. Get a pack of 8 purple glue sticks. They are perfect for all your crafting needs. Our unique purple formula lets you see exactly where you're applying the adhesive. It disappears once dry, ensuring a clean finish. Enjoy a strong, permanent bond that holds your projects together. Plus, it washes off easily from hands and clothes. These glue sticks are non-toxic and acid-free, making them safe for children's use. The disappearing purple color helps them track their application. They cover a wider surface area, making them ideal for school projects, arts and crafts, holiday cards, and more. What we like. If you're working on projects with kids or simply want a visual guide for application, this is ideal. The disappearing purple formula makes it easy to see where you've applied glue, and its washable nature ensures mess-free crafting. You should choose this if you prioritize safety, ease of use for children, and a clean application process for school projects and crafts. What people say. These are scentless. They dry quickly and clear. It sticks well and it's even pretty, much prettier than the typical brand. Glue color changed to clear after a bit so you can see if any adhere to anything you put it on. It goes on purple until it dries. Good product. Number 2. ELMER'S Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks, 30 count. See exactly where you're applying the glue with our disappearing purple formula. It helps kids easily track their application for a cleaner crafting experience. This glue applies smoothly and dries clear, ensuring a neat and tidy finish for all your projects. Say goodbye to messy glue lines. As the #1 teacher brand, it's the perfect choice for classrooms and young crafters. It's ideal for all their creative projects and schoolwork. Our acid-free formula is safe for use in both classrooms and homes. You can feel confident using it for all your crafting needs. This pack provides great value with 30 individual glue sticks. It's a bulk supply perfect for stocking up your classroom or craft drawer. It creates a strong bond on most porous and semi-porous materials. Trust it to hold your creations together securely. Accidents happen, but cleanup is a breeze. It's washable, making it easy and safe to clean up any stray marks or spills. What we like. As the #1 teacher brand, this is perfect for educational settings and bulk needs. Its visible purple application helps younger students apply glue accurately, and it dries clear for a neat finish. If you're stocking up for a classroom, need a reliable glue for posters, or want a trusted option for kids' crafts, this bulk pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The glue sticks are easy to use and apply smoothly. They hold well on various materials, providing a strong bond. The design of the glue sticks allows for precise application, which is great for detailed crafts. Number 1. ELMER'S All-Purpose School Glue Sticks, 60 count. Introducing ELMER'S All-Purpose School Glue Sticks, the #1 teacher brand. These glue sticks are perfect for all your crafting and school needs. It bonds securely to paper, cardboard, foam board, and display board. You can rely on it for a strong hold on various materials. Our formula is washable, non-toxic, acid-free, and photo-safe. This ensures a safe crafting experience for everyone. Experience a smooth application every time. It applies evenly without any frustrating clumps. It dries quickly and dries completely clear. This makes it ideal for all your arts, crafts, and school projects. This value pack includes 60 individual glue sticks, each weighing 7 g. You'll have plenty for all your projects. What we like. For general crafting and school projects, this large count of all-purpose glue sticks offers great value. It applies smoothly without clumping and dries quickly and colorlessly, making it versatile for various tasks like posters and vision boards. If you need a dependable, everyday glue stick for a wide range of paper-based projects and want a generous supply, this is a solid pick. What people say. The glue sticks are easy to use and provide a strong bond. The design of the glue sticks allows for precise application, making them ideal for crafts and detailed projects. These glue sticks dry clear and do not warp paper, which is great for scrapbooking and card making. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.